If you want to create a clean white flash effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a white flash in CapCut using a simple transition so you can add extra impact to your edits in just a few seconds. This is a great effect for punchy cuts, beat drops, scene changes, and making your videos feel much more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and go inside the edit timeline where your clips are already placed. You need at least 2 clips for this effect because the white flash is applied as a transition between them. Once you're inside the project, look at the top menu and click on Transitions. This will open up the full transition library where CapCut keeps all of its built-in transition effects. Now use the search bar and type white flash. CapCut will filter the results and show you the white flash transition option. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct transition section and that your project has 2 clips next to each other on the timeline. Once you see the white flash transition, click and drag it into the space between both clips. As soon as you place it there, CapCut will automatically apply the effect. You can usually preview it immediately by playing the timeline and you'll see the screen flash white for a split second as the clips switch. If the effect feels too strong or too short, you can click on the transition and adjust its duration to better match your edit. A shorter duration gives you a faster, sharper flash, while a slightly longer duration can make the transition feel smoother and more dramatic. This is especially useful if you're editing to music or want the flash to hit exactly on the beat. And that's it. That's how to make a white flash in CapCut in just a few simple steps. It's one of the easiest ways to add energy to your videos and make your edits stand out. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.